We need to become present. How? Through body-mind connection. Start with attention, bringing the attention of the mind to your body. You become available. If you stay with it for a while, your feelings come in. You are united in yourself. Body, mind, and feelings are united. Then your energy, which is usually outer-oriented, turns and is available to connect to the source. When it connects, you taste the unity of all things, because everything in the source is one. In the unity of all things, you benefit by everything you come in contact with. The room you're in, the people you see, the carpet you're standing on. The world is there to introduce you to yourself. Breema is a mountain that doesn't have beginning or end, an ocean that has no bottom. The more you study, the more there is to study. At some point, you see that you and Breema are the same thing. You are studying yourself through Breema. Who are you? That depends on what limitation you give yourself. In reality, your being is unlimited. Breema has room for you wherever you are. You can start wherever you are. Even if you're totally out of it, just experience that your body is breathing. That's a beginning. That's your starting point.